In this video, we'll demonstrate data read or write operations for the Honda 38770 MFJ to ECM. The tools we need: MotoMaster or Keymaster G3, high power DC regulated power supply, main cable, ECU clone jumper, MP001 programmer, Honda 38770 MFJ to ECM. Before proceeding, you need to upgrade the software to the latest version. Tap ECU Flash or ECM. Use the search box at the top right corner to quickly find the corresponding model. Tap the Guide section, carefully read the warm reminder, menu description, operation guide, connection methods, and special notes. Tap Pineout, select Bench, and check if the module's appearance is consistent. Tap Connector Pineout to connect accordingly. After connecting, tap Start. Now make the ECU connection. Make data backup first. File names can be customized. The file storage location will be displayed on the left side. Now write the backed up data into the module. File management now supports filtering by file name, modification time, or file size. Operation completed. Thanks for watching.